Hey guys, Huda here from the .comgal.com, and today I'm here with a new video with a WordPress tutorial showing you how to install WordPress with Softaculous inside your cPanel. So let's get started. So before I start with this video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. So it's very easy to install WordPress. This is my cPanel. As you can see, it might look different from yours. I use Beyond Hosting. Yours might look slightly different if you're using a different host, but in essence, you should have the same things that I have, like email, files, and especially what we're going to use, which is Softaculous or software installer. Softaculous is a tool that you can use to install software and different types of scripts in your website. So it can help you with stuff like WordPress, PHP, JavaScript, form scripts, and so many other things. Instead of you going through the whole manual process of doing it yourself, you just use Softaculous. And I think that now most of the hosting services, products, hosting companies are offering Softaculous as part of their cPanel. So what we will do is click on WordPress because this is what we want. We want to install WordPress in our site. But first of all, let me show you the site before WordPress. It's a dummy site that I have that I've been using for different tutorials. So this is the site. It looks like, it's already there in my server, but it doesn't have anything on it. So it's empty now. So we click on WordPress. And once we do, we go here and click on Install Now. Now we're going to be on this page. And then it says here, choose installation URL. This is where you're going to choose your domain. So I have a large list of domains here, as you can see. Some of them are active, some of them are not, and I have to remove them, but I've just been lazy. So we're going to click on the one that we want to work with, this one. Then you can choose the site name, the site description. You can choose your password and your username. These are things that are optional that you can play with later. And there are a couple of plugins that, again, this is my hosting and this is what it offers. I don't know if yours offers the same thing, like automatically gives you access to this plugin. Otherwise, you can just install it later. So I'm just going to go with a quick install here to show you how quick and easy it is. And I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page and click install. And it's going to take a couple of minutes at most. Not even, as you can see. So once it's done, it tells you your admin access, which is like the WP admin. Now, if we just refresh the page, you're going to see that it's already a WordPress blog. And once we add the WP admin here, you're going to see that we are already inside our dashboard, which is the WordPress blog dashboard. And there's, all the stuff that you already know, which is the posts, the pages, and everything else. So from here, you can start playing with it, installing whatever plugins you want, whatever themes you want, etc. So this is exactly how we actually install WordPress in the site using Softaculous. Very easy, it's very quick, as you can see. And that's all there is to it, really. So if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Press the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel too if you like my content. And if there's anything that you'd like me to cover in the future, please let me know with a comment down here. Like if there's a topic that's confusing you regarding WordPress or blogging or traffic or affiliate marketing, and I will do my best to cover it as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.